This layout scene was the first corner to receive any landscaping or structures back in 2009 when the layout began. However, the gas station in the upper right-hand corner was built years earlier from a Railroad Model Craftsman magazine article from July 1988. The article was by Brian Rudko. It was based on a real station in the 1930s featured in a book called Taken by the Wind: Vanishing Architecture of the West. Brian's version looked a lot like my effort to capture his work. He mentioned that he was inspired by the book's photos, and I became inspired by Brian's modeling of the station. The plans and design are based on using two Campbell wood kits. They are still available from Campbell as an SA office and clothing store number 431. You will need a pair of these kits to fashion into the gas station. These rack-mounted tanks depart from the underground-style tanks. I think the triple tank set was from a Walthers detailing kit. Lacking finding this item or fabricating your own tanks, you could just make people think they are all underground. I used the material from a pair of number 431 kits to reproduce the station as seen in the article. I changed the back a little in the roof outline and construction. From the front view, the roofing is hidden from view with dry transfer letters to form the signage. The walls are all made from clapboard horizontal siding. You could just buy a length of basswood and fashion your own walls, but finding the real Campbell windows and doors adds a lot to the overall appeal. The front wall is 2.9 inches tall, that's 21 feet, with a width of 6 inches, and that measures to 43.5 feet. The depth was reduced to 2 inches, and I wished I had extended it to more like 4 inches. But it was originally made for a glass case small diorama years ago. The gas pumps may have been from JL Innovative or some similar to those. The centerpiece is for the air hoses. These three items rest on a slab of gray concrete. The air hoses are coiled up lengths of 30,000th inch fine diameter solder. There's also a water hose made from the same fine diameter solder. The lampshade is a brass one from Campbell, with a warm white small LED that keeps the security of the gas pumps in view. The interior is lighted with soft light. Someone is in there rebuilding a Ford Flathead V8 into the night. My version of the gas station has an older Airstream trailer in the back where the owner lives. It too is lighted internally. Next door is a hay dealer's lot. It started with a BTS laser kit of the office and the companion tool shed. It's the Anderson Pulpwood Yard Kit, Walthers number 464-27480. I liked the look of the office. It could also serve as an office for a small lumber dealer. The tool shed included was a nice bonus, too. A scratch-built auxiliary shed is to keep some of the hay dry during the rain. The simulated stacked hay bales are from a vendor that I can't remember. It was from about 13 years ago. Making your own stacks, you could use blocks of balsa wood deeply scored to resemble the bale dimensions, and adding some scenic dried grass to a coating of Woodland Scenic's white glue. This siding at the rear allows loading empty cattle cars to transport bulk hay to feedlots. Manual labor was available in the mid-1950s for less than 50 cents an hour. Teens back then had summer jobs like that in small communities away from the big city. Well, I hope this puts some ideas in place for your own layout, whether in planning or a built one needing a refresh in some areas. Thanks for watching, and check into our website at www.cspmovies.com.